Hey cosmic explorers! Welcome back to Asteroid. Today, we're diving into 5 technologies that sound like they're ripped straight out of Star Trek, except they're real, they're here, and they're about to redefine space exploration forever. Imagine astronauts printing homes on Mars using dirt, AI driving rovers on alien planets, or quantum internet connecting Earth to the edge of the solar system. These aren't sci-fi fantasies, they're breakthroughs happening right now. By the end of this video, you'll see why the future of space isn't just bright, it's mind-blowing. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. We drop videos every week that'll make you the smartest person in the room when it comes to space and tech. Ready? Let's launch. Let's start with rockets that land themselves, yes, themselves. For decades, rockets were disposable one-time use machines. Launch one, watch it crash into the ocean, and kiss $200 million goodbye. But SpaceX's Falcon 9 flipped the script, literally. After delivering its payload to orbit, this rocket performs a mid-air backflip, reignites its engines, and lands vertically on a drone ship in the middle of the ocean. They've pulled this off over 200 times, slashing launch costs by 90%. Suddenly, space isn't just for governments, it's for startups, universities, and even you. Companies like Rocket Lab are catching falling boosters with helicopters, and Blue Origin's New Glenn is gearing up to haul cargo to the moon. But here's the kicker. Reusable rockets are the backbone of a future space economy. Picture rockets launching daily like airplanes, ferrying supplies to moon bases or shuttling tourists to orbital hotels. The question isn't if, it's when. And hey, would you book a ticket to space? Drop A in the comments. Next up, artificial intelligence. No, it's not here to take over, it's here to explore. Take NASA's Perseverance rover. Mars is 140 million miles away, and a round-trip signal takes 40 minutes. If the rover waited for human commands, it'd move slower than a snail. Instead, its AI acts like a self-driving car on steroids, scanning the terrain, dodging boulders, and even picking which rocks to study for signs of ancient life. But AI isn't just a driver, it's a scientist. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission used AI to map 1.7 billion stars, and on the ISS, an AI named Simon floats around helping astronauts fix equipment and stay sane. Think of AI as the ultimate intern. It handles the grunt work so scientists can tackle the big questions. Are we alone? Could Mars support life? And here's a hot take. AI might discover alien microbes before humans do. Crazy? Maybe? Impossible? Never? What do you think? Let me know below. Now, let's talk about living in space, because future astronauts won't settle for tin cans. They'll live in 3D printed homes made from moon dirt. Companies like Icon, yes, the ones building houses on Earth, are teaming up with NASA for Project Olympus. Robots mix lunar soil with a binding agent, then print structures layer by layer. These aren't just huts. They're radiation shielded, with labs, greenhouses, and even yoga studios to combat muscle atrophy. NASA's also testing inflatable habitats, giant space balloons that expand into luxury pads with gyms and panoramic views of Earth. But the real magic? These habitats adapt. Need more oxygen? Print a new module. Water running low? Deploy algae that turns CO2 into breathable air. It's not just survival, it's thriving millions of miles from home. So, would you volunteer for a year on the moon? Comment yes or no, no judgment. Ever tried streaming Netflix with lag? Now imagine doing it from Mars. Today's space signals are slow, weak, and hackable. Enter quantum communication, aka unhackable space Wi-Fi. China's Misha satellite fired entangled photons, particles linked across space, to Earth, hosting the first quantum encrypted video call from orbit. Hack it? You'd need to break the laws of physics. NASA's now testing quantum tech for Mars missions, meaning astronauts could soon stream 4K videos from the Red Planet or control robots on Jupiter's moons with zero lag. But here's the plot twist. Quantum tech might even let us talk to aliens. If they're out there. Too wild? Tell me I'm wrong in the comments. Finally, let's talk about cosmic gold, literally. Startups like Astroforge want to mine platinum from asteroids. One 500-meter space rock holds more platinum than all of Earth's reserves. NASA's MOXIE experiment on Mars already turns CO2 into oxygen, and future systems could mine lunar ice for water or 3D print solar panels from moon dust. This isn't just sci-fi, it's survival. Why haul fuel from Earth when you can refuel on Mars? But here's the big question. Who owns space resources? Nations? Companies? All of us? Let's debate below, because this isn't just about tech. It's about humanity's future as a multiplanetary species. So, which tech blew your mind the most? Reusable rockets? AI astronauts? 3D printed moon homes? Let me know, and if you want a deep dive on any of these, scream at me in the comments. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join our crew of space nerds. We've got videos coming on real-life lightsabers, yes, plasma tech exists, and how black holes could power future cities. Smash the bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, remember, the universe isn't just big. It's begging to be explored. Stay curious, stay bold, and keep looking up. This is Ashja, signing off from @AstroInnovate.